Alright, welcome back. This chapter we're going to talk about the sort method in list. So we learned so far that we can define list in, for example, int and set a name for that, for example, numbers equal to new capital L uh, list int and parentheses. But now I want to define some some values for my list, and I'm going to define it like, for example, 5, 75, 3, 14, 6, and maybe 12. Okay. So with this order, I don't need to add, for example, see numbers that add. I don't need to add one by one my numbers. I already defined all of them here in front of my list in the same line. So now if we just console the right line, the numbers, we can just use a for each loop, as I said before. I don't need var, I want int num in numbers. So this variable num goes through my list, which is numbers. And what it's going to do, it's going to write the num. Alright, let's define a console read here. So our program don't okay, console.read line maybe. Okay, I set console.read key. Now let's see. Okay, as you can see, I have the numbers 5, 75, 3, 14, 6, 12. They are unsorted. It's the same as the order that we entered in our list. So if we want the sorted list, we just copy these 4 lines of code. So the sorted numbers, see, I'm going to say this one is going to be the sorted number, and then I'm going to say numbers dot sort. So with this line, we just sort our numbers, and again for each, and then console.write line are num in numbers. So let's see the output. So you can see the sorted numbers are 3, 5, 6, 12, 14, 75. It's the sorted version of my list, and this one is just the unsorted version. It's the default version of my list, which I entered here. And this line here, numbers that sort, just sort the numbers in my list, and you can see the output here.